Hey guys, Mark Lyon here, Lion Horses, helping you be the person your horse deserves. And today I'm going to tell you why you need this in your trailer, and I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why. So first of all, you guys have probably seen these. Use them to change your tire. So you're going to, if you have a flat on one of your tires, you're going to roll the good tire up on top of this, take the flat tire off, change it. One of the reasons why we do this instead of using a jack is when you jack up your trailer, especially when it's full of horses, it's not as safe, it's not as stable, it's not as good, right? So if you can roll it up on top of this, way better. Second, it helps you get off the road faster, right? Trying to get that jack underneath there and go get one and get everything cribbed up, yeah, not as fast. So this makes it a little faster, a little easier for you to get off the road so somebody doesn't hit you or your horses while you're kind of stuck on the side of the road in a precarious position. So one of those things, you need one. Now they make these out of plastic or aluminum or steel, and yeah, have something that you can roll up onto. I like the wood ones. The reason I do it is because they're multi-purpose. So the other reason I use them is for wheel chocks. So if you need to chalk your tires, I always like having wheel chocks. Sometimes when you unhook, it's a little bit slick, you're on a little bit of a hill. Just having wheel chocks keeps your trailer safe, keeps it from, just changing positions, moving a little bit if it's in a little bit of a hill. The next thing is I use it for my jack landing base. So when I put my gooseneck down, I want to land it on one of these steps here. The reason it distributes the weight over a larger area. So just if you're in soft sand or if you're in a little bit of mud or whatever, it doesn't sink down as much. The other thing is that it takes up some of that distance, so you don't have to jack your jack up and down so far. And man, that's a little time saver and also a little easier on your arms. So the next thing is a step. So, when I go to get in my trailer, if it's a little high, you can use this as a step to step up and down in there. Keeps you from twisting your ankle. Just make it a little bit easier to get in and out, especially as I'm getting a little older and I'm carrying saddles in and out, makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so the next thing is when you're leveling your trailer, when you're parking it, don't park it with a little bit of a twist or a kink in it. Okay, so we all know how hard it is to get latches to keep latching, especially as the trailer gets a little older, and a lot of times that's because people park them in a little bit of a twist, and then after they leave it there for a month or 2 or 3, it kind of takes on that twist, and those door latches don't latch anymore. The dividers, your gates in your trailer, they don't latch as good. So keep your trailer, when you're parking it for a while, keep it level. Also, if you're going to stay in it for a little while, you don't want that thing always, your cabinet doors, your fridge, when you're sleeping in it, always got a little bit of a lean to it. You don't want that. So what I do is I use these. You can stick it like that. You can stick it up a little higher. Use one of them as a ramp. That way you can figure out what height you need that trailer. Maybe you're in a little bit of a hole. Kind of keeps everything level. One pro tip. This is going to save your day. So I put a little strap on mine. Okay, so when you're carrying it back to the trailer to use it for change your tire, or you're carrying it back to wherever you're going to store it, you can carry 2 of them at a time. You can just grab the straps. It gives you a little handle. The other thing is, sometimes when you're trying to roll your tire up on there, especially if it's like asphalt that's really slick, maybe it's got a little oil on it, or it's rained and it's a little wet, sometimes that thing will just slide. And so if you have a little strap on there, as you roll up, your tire will grab onto that, right? And your tire will push it down, and that way it'll hold it still while your tire climbs up on top of that. And it helps you, keeps it from just kind of sliding that thing down the road on you. So anyway, that's the 5 reasons why I have them. I think they're kind of a necessity for your trailer. Now I'm going to show you how to build them. I made these. I'm going to show you how to do it in the shop. Let's go. So this is how I build mine. You can vary the dimensions a little bit. Mine are about 30 inches. So each step is 10 inches. And I use like a minimum of a 2x6. I normally like using 2x8s, 2x10s, 2x12, something like that, something with a little bit of purchase on it. So it gives you a good spot to land your tire. I put a little piece of plywood in between my blocks. If those blocks are gonna break, they normally split lengthways with the grain. So put a little plywood in there, kind of keeps everything stable, helps keep everything together. They'll last a little longer. So that's just something I do. What I do is I put a little wood glue in on both sides of the plywood, stick my blocks on there, give me some nice long deck screws, and I put them, so I'll, screw this one to this one to that one, and then up through the bottom, a couple, 3 of them. Kind of helps keep them all together, and yeah, doesn't take very long. Got a nice little block for your trailer. This is a good project for, especially when it's a little rainy outside. Spring's coming up. You're gonna have some rainy days. Good little project. Get yourself some lumber, and then when it's raining outside, just take a little day in the shop, put some stuff together. Also, if you're looking for a little project for your husband or boyfriend or significant other, this is a great project. You can say, hey, really kind of need something. I saw this. Is this something you could make? I say most of the guys, they're looking for ways to help you with your hobby. So it's a good project for them. Kind of helps them feel as part of the group. So anyway, hope this tip helps. Catch you guys later. Carry them. You can carry a couple of them at a time. Oh, you son of a gun.